Is there any built-in Python value where truth evaluation is invalid? I have a set of subclasses that should all define an attribute X that should either evaluate to true or false. In order to catch bugs when I forget to set this value in a subclass, I would like to set it in its superclass to a value for which truth evaluation results in an error. Is there any built-in value in Python with this behavior? I sort of expected Note implemented to have this behavior, but it evaluates to true. I could set it to numpy.array 0, 0, where if X column raises value error, but that feels wrong. Likewise, I could define my own class where _ball_ raises an exception. But is there any built-in value appropriate for this purpose? Other alternatives would be to set a property, abstract or not, or to not define it at all, so we get attribute error.
In the future, Note implemented will be invalid in a boolean context. Starting with Python 3.9, using Note implemented in a boolean context is deprecated. From the documentation, evaluating Note implemented in a boolean context is deprecated. While it currently evaluates as true, it will emit a deprecation warning. It will raise a type error in a future version of Python. As of October 6, 2020, that future version of Python has, as far as I know, not been determined, but at some point in the future, I'd expect not before Python 3.11, Note implemented will become a built-in Python value where truth evaluation is invalid.
I recently encountered the same question, with a slightly different use case. I had a class with a flag attribute, the value of which is passed to _init_ by the caller. Objects of the class can be created from two different versions of data, where the older version of the data does not contain the information needed for determining whether the flag should be true or false. Setting an otherwise bool value to none, which is the common way of representing missing data, would not work, because none happily evaluates to false. Like you, I didn't find a satisfactory built-in solution, so I wrote one myself. Written for Python 2.7, but easy to adjust for Python 3. The design, min decisions in this class were inspired by the none singleton, for example naming the singleton instance foo and the class footype, returning foo from _repr_, raising type error on invalid operations.
Luau, is cause observating.